ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Myself Murali Mohan V, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kumata. From last four videos, we discussed. First video deals with introduction and what are all the journal entries to be passed during conversion of firms to a company. Second video deals with what are all the different ledger accounts we have to prepare during conversion of firm to company. Third video discussed about how to calculate purchase consideration under net payments. Next video discussed with how to calculate purchase consideration under net asset method. Today, I'm going to present a video on what are all the steps we have to follow during conversion of firms to a company when they'll ask for 15 marks. This is very important for the exam point of view. They'll ask for 15 marks. We have to calculate purchase consideration. We have to calculate mode used for discharge purchase consideration. We have to prepare ledger accounts for the problem. Now we'll take on a problem. The problem was Aruna, Apex and Akash carry on business in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:2:2. On 31st December 2016, they agreed to sell their business to Angadi Company Limited. Their position was as follows. ಅರುಣ್ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋವರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರುಣ್ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 60,000 ಇದೆ, ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ 30,000 ಇದೆ, ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ 50,000 ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅರುಣ್ದು 1,50,000, ಅಪೇಕ್ಷ 1,12,000, ಆಕಾಶ್ 98, ಟೋಟಲ್ 3,60,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಸೆಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ 15,000 ಇದೆ, ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ 1,20,000 ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ 1,10,000 ಇದೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 1,65,000 ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಷನರಿ 80,000 ಇದೆ, ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ 10,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಅಂಗಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಂಗಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 1,05,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ 1,75,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಗೆ 5,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಗೆ 90,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಷನರಿಗೆ 72,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ 45,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಬುಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಅವ್ರಿಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಕವರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಟ್ rupees 77,500. The company paid rupees 30,000 equity of rupees 10 each in fully paid and balance in cash. Expenses of sales in rupees 40,000. Prepare necessary accounts in the books of the firm. ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ step in the during solution of this problem, you have to calculate purchase consideration. Then we have to identify mode used for payment of purchase consideration. Next, you have to prepare ledger accounts, preparation of realization account, purchasing company account, shares accounts, share capital account and cash accounts. During preparation of all this ledger account, you have to distribute profit on realization and any reserves and surplus based on the profit sharing and ratio. So first, you have to calculate purchase consideration. In the problem, they given value of assets taken over and value paid for the creditors. So first, you have to draw the formats, particulars, amount. First, you have to write what is the value of assets taken over. So in the problem, they given debtors value 1,05,000, land and building they given 1,75,000, furniture 5,000, stock 90,000, plant and machinery 72,500, goodwill 45,000. By put together, sum of all this value of assets would become 4,92,500. Next, we have to see what is the value of paid for liabilities. The given creditors and bills payable rupees 77,500. We are deducting with value of assets taken over with total value of liabilities taken over 4,92,500 minus 77,500. Purchase consideration will be 4,15,000. So in this problem, Angadi company paying rupees 4,15,000 for Arun, Apeksha and Akash. So next you have to calculate, you have to find out how much paid in the form of equity, how much paid in the form of cash. So out of this 4,15,000, they given very specifically in the problem 30,000 in the form of equity. We'll see next how they discharge PC. 16,000 into 2 by 8, that is 4,000 belongs to Apeksha. 16,000 into 2 by 8, 4,000 belongs to Akash. So profit on realization of assets and liabilities, it is rupees 16,000. So next, we have to prepare purchasing company name. It is here purchasing company here Angadi company account. So purpose of this preparing purchase Angadi company's account to discharge of PC. What are all the mode used by the Angadi? So first you have to draw the format particulars amount. So first debit side to realization. So in realization, credit side written by Angadi Company Limited. That is purchase consideration amount rupees 4,16,000. So this 4,15,000 discharged by the Angadi company by using equity and cash. So equity rupees 3,60,000, cash 55,000. So both the debit side is equal to credit side. Next, you have to prepare equity shares accounts. So particulars amount. Again, first, wherever we return equity, first write to Angadi company, that is 3,60,000. See, when comparing with the realization and the Angadi company limited, if you return debit side any equity shares, you have to pass credit side. If you return under credit side equity shares, then you have to enter debit side. So here, Angadi Company Limited, we return by equity shares of 3,60,000. Therefore, you have to pass enter here to Angadi Company account 3,60,000. So this 3,60,000 you have to transfer to partners capital account based on their profit sharing ratio. So when transferring, Arun's capital share is 3,60,000 into 4 by 8 will get 1,80,000. Apeksha 3,60,000 into 2 by 8 90,000. Akash 3,60,000 into 2 by 18 90,000. So debit side is equal to credit side. Now you have to prepare partners capital accounts. So particulars Arun, Apex and Akash. Particular Arun, Apex and Akash. So first transfer whatever capital which is available in the balance sheets. So we seen that the partners capital Arun's belongs to 1,50,000, Apeksha 1,12,000, Akash 98,000. Next, transfer profit on realization. So we find out realization profit. It is Arun share belongs to 18,000, Apeksha 4, Akash 4. Next, if anything there reserves in the balance sheet, that one also have to transfer to partners. Reserves, it is 50,000 is there based on 4 is to 2 is to 2. 25,000, 12,500, 12,500. Next, whenever if we have any return transferring of capital in equity shares account, you transferred equity shares to partners capital. It is to shares account 1,80,000, 90,000, 90,000. So after transferring of all these assets, if any assets taken over the partners, you have to enter under debit side. If it is a liabilities paid, you have to enter under credit side. In this problem, there is no any assets and liabilities were taken over by the partners. Therefore, we have to close the account. So you have to close the account by balancing debit side and credit side. First, total the both the side, which side is more. If it is credit side is more than debit side, we're going to get balancing figure under debit side. If debit side is more than credit side, is going to get balance under credit side. In this problem, all the partners debit credit side is more than debit side. So Arun's total credit side is 1,83,000. So put 1,83,000, balance 1,83,000 minus 1,83,000. Apeksha 1,28,500. So here debit side 90,000. Credit side is more than debit side. So balance will comes under debit side. It is 38,500. Akash 1,14,500 on the credit side. So debit side only 90,000. So therefore we're going to get balance in the debit side only. 1,14,500 minus 90,000 will get 24,500 as balance figure under debit side. So this ends with partners capital. This cash is balancing figure. It means we have to pay cash for the partners. So last account you have to prepare is cash. So wherever we return cash in realization, purchasing company, equity shares, partners capital, and if anything cash is available in the balance sheet, you have to transfer to the cash account. So first you have to enter particulars amounts. First you have to transfer whatever cash or bank balance which is available in the balance sheet to balance brought down 15,000. Next, in purchasing company, credit side return by cash. That one I have to transfer to Angadi 55,000. Next, in realization account, you record to cash. That is for that one you have to enter the credit side by realization account. Next, by Arun's capital, balances of the partner's capital account is 3,000, Apeksha 38,500, Akash 24,000. So after transferring all this, we'll get debit side is equal to credit side. If debit side is not equal to credit side, somewhere we did a mistake. In this problem, we got both the sides equal amounts. Therefore, you did all the steps correctly. So this ends with this problem. So these are all the steps you have to follow during 15 marks problem. So you have to first find out PSC, discharge of PSC, preparation of realization account, purchasing company accounts, equity shares accounts. If any debentures is used for making payment, you have to prepare debenture accounts also. Then you have to prepare partners capital accounts. Then last it is cash accounts. So I hope you understood very clearly with regards to steps to be followed during conversion of firms to a company. Thanking you all.